Hey y'all, today we are going to try this beauty right here. I like grunge colors and I use them all year long. And so I was really happy to see this in the middle of the summer, and so I had to use it like right off the rip. So all the shades I'm using are from her. They are out of a palette that I use from her. This is a gray, and I'm just kind of packing it and moving it in my crease. And I'm going to continue to do that on both eyes. And I do carry it down to my bottom lash line. So I'm basically just packing it in one spot, and then I just move it. And I do it tit-tat at a time. So I'm not really swiping it when I'm applying it, the color to the lid. So I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. I took a dark gray, and I'm kind of like packing it and moving it. And this lid is a little deeper because I have a hooded eye, a really bad one. So I kind of apply it a little bit higher over the crease line than I do on the other side. So now I'm getting a cut crease. I put some, you can put makeup, you can put concealer, you can put base, whatever you want to put on it. On a very, very tiny brush, and then you just kind of cut out where the crease starts. There's other ways to do this easier for beginners. If you want me to do one of those, I can show you how that works. But I'm used to doing it, so I kind of know where the feel of my cut crease is. So I'm always capable of getting a nice, clean, crisp cut crease like that. So now that I have that down, I'm going to take this glitter sealer, because this is like glitter Stardust. Well, it's a Stardust. Some have glitter, some don't. This one doesn't. But you always want to use this sealer. I put 3 drops in a little mixing dish, and I put the powder on the side on a paper, and I get a flat brush just like this. I dip it into those 3 drops, only on one side. And then I like just on one side, I just dip it into that stuff. And then I pick it up off of that paper, I put that dust on, and it's ready to apply. So this is my first reaction. It's really, really pretty, y'all. And it's super, super easy to apply. So I put some on that bottom inner corner, and just the beginning of the lower lash line, like under the lash line. So now I'm taking a black shadow from her. This is a black Stardust. I did not use a sealer for this. I just put it on straight out of the pan. And just to do that outer corner, just to give it some depth, and so I can mix it in a little bit to blend with that grungy misty green. I also like to use a lot of black on the outer corner because I like to do bat liner. So here is with the lashes, and I use these earrings and like a dark brown lipstick to finish up the look. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know what you think. Would you buy this beautiful grunge green? I love it, and I will be using every speck of it.